and most importantly, whoa, hello, drop it like it's hot. Hey, what's going on here? It's Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to do a Vitacost unboxing, and this is with some protein bars that I found that are actually really tasty. They're vegan, they're organic, as well as non-GMO, and so it's like the perfect combination of everything. And I found out about these at Sprouts, tried them. I've been trying different protein bars, plant-based ones for past couple years now, and finally found some good ones. So here we go. So I'm gonna unbox me getting actually some wholesale protein bars here. So here we go. Let's open this up. You'll see two of the flavors that I got. These are kind of just the best tasting ones, as well as a couple of the most popular ones, and what I just like to get in general. All right, love unboxing stuff. So you have the invoice there, and so this is what I got. So I got the peanut butter chocolate organic plant-based performance protein bar. You can see it's organic, non-GMO. It's got 20 grams of plant protein per bar. It's 9 grams of fiber. That's good to see. And so we got the peanut butter chocolate. I was reading some reviews. People really like that flavor. And then I did try actually the chocolate ones already. I like this. Kind of reminds me a little bit of like a brownie, slightly, but a healthier version. But you know, sometimes like protein bars have a strong flavor where you're just like, oh, they're chalky, or they're, you know, too hard, or maybe too soft, or I don't know. But these have a good like texture, flavor. Price point was good. The quality of ingredients was really good. And yeah, it was kind of just an overall amazing experience. So we'll just open up a couple, or at least one of them here. Let's go here. And this supplements my green smoothies that I do and the other food that I eat throughout the day. And it's just kind of a good thing to have, because sometimes you're out and about, and these are actually really filling too. So you can see here, boom. You can see the ingredients, organic ingredients, which is good to see. There you go, non-GMO ingredients, nutritional facts, that's what I always go to. Then you can see the nutritional facts here, the calories, the fat, healthy fats, sodium, no cholesterol. You don't get any cholesterol with plant-based products, only animal products. Carbohydrates, 13%. So then you subtract the 9 from the 36, that'll be the net carbs. You can see there is some sugar, and there's the protein there. So protein, healthy fats, and fiber help you to stay full. And those are the three things to want to make sure you have, as well as the organic and non-GMO, which makes this more of a premium product. And then this is for performance. And so I really like the flavor, in addition to all the other quality elements and the price element too. I will have some more information in the link in the description below. But let's check out the chocolate ones. Same information, it's just different flavor. So there you go. The ingredients. Boom. And then, yeah, okay, so 9 grams of fat, so 1 gram less. Sodium, protein is the same. 1 more gram of fiber. There you go. All right. Okay. And what I like to do is refrigerate these when I'm, not using them, or if I eat a half a bar. And again, this is kind of like my in-between snack of breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And then for breakfast, I usually do a green smoothie, and I use the doTERRA V-Shake, which I've done a video on my other unboxing for the doTERRA Loyalty Rewards Program. But this is a good in-between snack, and I like having these options. And this was, again, a lot more economical than just kind of going to Sprouts and getting one-off bars. I was able to get a really good deal on these. And again, I'll have a link in the description below. You can check that out. And these are two of the flavors that are most recommended. Chocolate, for all the chocoholics out there, which includes myself. And then the peanut butter chocolate, which is, you can see, it kind of looks like a Reese's piece, but a healthier version that's organic, non-GMO. There you go. And you can see vegan, gluten-free, made without dairy or soy ingredients. So, I mean, this is really a premium bar that has the best of everything. And some people may be like, well, it's not keto, Lance. What about that? Because there's sugar. Well, it's just like, yeah, I mean, it's not keto, but it has a great source of healthy fats, a great source of fiber, it's like 36% of your daily value, and then a great source of protein. So all those make it very filling. And so yeah, although this is not vegan keto, that might be the only thing that's missing from this. So it's not the perfect bar, but it's better than the vast majority that I've seen out there. And again, it's because it's organic, non-GMO, it's plant-based, and then it has the gluten-free and made without dairy or soy. And then the ingredients are really good from what I've seen. And so yeah, check these out, link in the description below. Help this supplement your wellness lifestyle and cop one of these flavors to eat between breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And again, they're filling, they're tasty, they're a good price point, and the quality's there. And so this is a product that I have adopted now. It's one of my go-tos. So there you go. Well, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did. Share this video with somebody that would benefit from it. And most importantly, whoa, hello. Drop it like it's hot. Check out the other videos in my link in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on. And I will see you in the next video.